Hey there, my name is Katie Chowdhury, and this is my son Anthony, and I'm actually a stay-at-home mom, former teacher, now looking to really prepare Anthony for school. He's 3.5, and our daughter Maria is 16 weeks, and she's taking a nap. So we're making the most of the nap time by doing a really fun learning activity that is so much fun that you don't even realize that you're learning. So Anthony, let's show him what we're gonna do. Today we're gonna show you how to launch rockets and use some hand-eye coordination, work on a little bit of strength, working on moving your hands right, and having some fun in the process. It's actually something that we saw. I picked it up at the end of one of his Curious George DVDs. You know, in between, if you watch Curious George, in between the kids show you some kind of an activity that they do. And I modified it a little bit for him because he's still young enough, but I'll show you kind of what we do. All that you need are some of these little pom-poms, and you need a plastic spoon, and you need some type of a launcher, which, let's get out of the way so they can see. Our launcher we're using is this box. And then you kind of want to mark off your space of what you're using for where you want the rockets to launch. Like, so if you were going to launch the rocket, where you would want it to land in space. So what we've used are two of my, what we call magic fingers in our house, which we use for calendar time and all kinds of pointing, and I just put them down. So if you have two rulers or anything like that, put 2 pieces of masking tape down, anything of that sort. And what you do, and he's going to practice it, but I'll show you kind of first. You know, and I modified this for Anthony by holding the spoon down on the box. I'll just make it a little closer, and then you can see what we do. And then he puts the pom-pom on. Show him how you put the pom-pom on. And then we launch it into space by pulling it back. And I keep my hand up on the front part of the spoon. You see how he did that? I keep my hand on the front part of the spoon because he's still pretty little. But you can modify that for your own kids. So if your kids are a little bit older, they can hold the spoon on their own. And they can try it at different angles. So you can use different blocks, or you can try it even just on the floor itself. And it's a science learning experience, math too, experiment to really see what the angle's like of how far they launch, how high they launch, and how much they're able to launch by doing that. So you guys can have some fun too at that, and let us know how much fun you have and how you modified it to work for your family. Put your comments below or check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Have a good day.